Et nous revoilà. Donc jour 4, on a refait un cauchemar, on a revu Monsieur Propre qui nous épiait un gros voyeur.
Looks like the rain finally stopped.
Ah, bon bah le titre du stream est pas bon alors. Il s'est arrêté de pleuvoir. On va voir si mamie elle a eu la visite de Monsieur Propre. Alors, je vais revoir. Qu'est-ce qu'on a comme merdier? Le livre sur la fleur, la photo des 3 lumières, la disquette du piratage, la petite clé qu'on ne sait pas ce que c'est, la photo du papa, non du grand-papa, dictaphone, le paquet de clopes, le taser, le briquet. Ok. Tu es encore cassé?
Oh, good morning.
Bonjour.
Hi, Kathy. What the... Morning. This is...
Vous avez vu le mec chelou dehors?
This is quite the surprise.
You have such a lovely friend, dear. We've been chatting all morning.
On s'est
Oh,
levé.
I have no doubt. She's quite the talker, this one.
You sleep even longer here than you do back home.
Oh, gee, must be the blissful lack of distractions here, E. Can I talk to you for a sec, outside? Alone?
Okie dokie, if your grandmother doesn't mind being left all by yourself for a while.
Sure. You go ahead, children. I'll be right here if you need me.
Je reste sur ce canapé sur lequel je suis ancré. Ah. Comment ça, c'est quoi ton problème? Ben moi je suis content qu'elle soit là. Pourquoi? Mais... j'ai pas envie de me disputer avec elle. C'est pas cool. Ça fait un peu gamin, mais c'est la moins... c'est la moins véhémente des réponses quand même. Allez.
This is not cool. What are you doing here, Eileen?
Helping you, silly. Why else would I be here?
Clearly to torment me in one way or another. Was a single morning
Jean
devoid
Fayard.
of Eileen too much to ask? I'm frankly surprised that I'm allowed bathroom breaks by myself with you in the same building.
I was super bored. Besides, you never got back home last night. I wanted to make
C'est
sure
vrai que
you
j'aurais
were
pu téléphoner.
okay.
Well, as you can plainly see, I'm not a corpse.
You could be a very convincing zombie.
Very funny. You can go home now, E.
Fine. I won't tell you what I found in my research yesterday then.
Ah mais si, s'il te plaît. T'as l'air vachement plus large d'épaule que dans la fac.
Hate you. I'm so glad you asked. I looked up a few statistics for this county, looking for any anomalies. First off, there's a high number of missing persons reports in the area.
Ooh.
That wouldn't be too unusual if, let's say, the county had a high crime rate. But it doesn't. Violent crimes are actually lower than in other comparable counties.
Huh. That's just outright creepy.
It gets even better. It turns out that this county has the highest number of clinically insane in the state. And guess what? Conwell Springs County is tiny. Per capita, the difference to the county in second place is humongous, over 1,000%.
That makes some sense. I found out that this cocky person is Loctite at Ingstrom's.
Wow, we should go talk to him, right? He must have some answers.
That's the plan. I should probably fill you in on the rest I found.
Une ellipse plus tard.
So, I'm gonna head over there today and confront Isaac about the paintings.
Oh, j'ai tout oublié.
Don't you think it's a bit risky, Kathy? It could just backfire and piss him off.
Oh, I'm hoping it will. Nothing wrong with some good old provocation to make people show their true colors.
You never gave him the picture of the lights, right?
Nah, I didn't want the guy to faint. He sounded pretty brainwashed about the Holy Trinity
Ah, exact, le
thing.
prêtre, ouais.
And none of the church people know who I am, right?
I guess not. So?
My point is that you grilled the priest good yesterday. You already tried it your way. I'm a fellow Christian. Maybe I could try something different, like make up a cute cover story and pretend to want to join their church. If he still won't trust me, I can show him my copy of the picture. Maybe it will make him open up.
I suppose it would give me enough time to drive back to the city and talk to Jimmy before it gets too late.
Yay! Oh, let's do it! I'm so excited. I can't wait to lie to people.
You know that's a sin, right?
Oh, I'm sure Jesus will make an exception this time. After all, he loves
Après
me.
tout, il
I'm not gonna
m'aime.
waste any time then. Let's catch
Ah,
up on
si
the
ça
phone
lag pas,
tonight.
c'est cool.
Okie dokie. Talk to you later.
On va aller voir Jimmy Cochran. Le riche vieux. Ah non, c'est pas lui du tout.
Hello,
Hôpital
Jimmy.
psychiatrique.
I've been looking for you.
Ah, c'est Coquille.
Is it for real this time?
Yes, this is all very real.
So you're going to ask me about Joseph now?
How do you know that? Who told you?
You did. Every time you came here.
You're not making any
Oh.
sense, Jimmy. We've never met before.
I'm making perfect sense. Everyone says so. I'm the sharpest tool in the shed. All bets are off now, Missy. Better buckle up and enjoy the ride. Forget all the rules. No going from top to bottom. No checking off all the items
Oh,
on your
merde.
list. Start by asking me about the young chronicler.
Ah merde. Oui, alors la dernière fois, je vous ai déjà tout répondu. Ça annonce un peu la couleur.
Do you know what happened to my grandfather in 81?
No, that's not the chronicler.
Mais tu vas répondre à mes trucs?
Was Lily Myers the chronicler?
The drowned girl, yes. She saw the loops, the endless possibilities. She found that the branches had all been severed. Nothing but inevitability remained, staring her right in the eye. In the end, she was pulled across the great threshold, just like I was. I was next.
Next for what?
You're not listening. I'm next.
Ok. Ça me fait penser à Dark, la série.
Do you know what happened to my grandfather
me
in
répondre, là?
81?
No, that's not me. That's not my name.
Mais je veux Coquille.
What
C'est toi?
happened to you, Jimmy? Why are
mais si,
you
c'est lui,
in this
Cochrane.
place?
I'm not. I'm 6 feet under, looking up, watching reruns without a care in the world. You know, Joseph was a
Okay.
beacon. His passing sent ripples traveling in all directions, touching all of us with burning intensity. In my case, resulting in immobilizing guilt. After all, I sent him out there. It was all my fault.
What was?
Qu'est-ce que toi?
What did you ask him to do?
Be patient. We'll get there eventually. We need to follow the rules. Let's continue, ironically, with the men who break the rules.
Je comprends rien à ce que tu racontes.
What is so special about Lily Myers' art?
That's not the men who break the rules.
Oh là là, mais laisse-moi te parler de ce que je veux. Les hommes qui cassent les règles seraient l'homme rouge. On va
What
faire
can
dans
you
l'ordre.
tell me about the Church of the Holy Trinity?
That's not the men who break.
Ok, ok. L'homme... Monsieur
What do
propre.
you know about the man in red?
That's not the men.
Mais si, c'est lui. Ah, les Black Hats.
You mean the black hats? They're the men who break the rules?
Indeed. Your father broke every rule in the book, did he not?
That's a
Tu
mild
sais
way of
beaucoup de
putting
choses.
it.
I feel your pain, but you will be free of him soon enough. I've seen you atop a great pit, dropping the last remaining memento of him into the empty blackness below. Your mother, on the other hand, that's a story with a different ending.
You know
Il a
Mom?
déjà joué au jeu.
How is she?
Why don't you see her yourself and find out?
It's complicated. Last time we met was ugly.
Looking away won't make it any less ugly, Kathy.
I know, just not yet.
Very well. Let's go see the man you reunited with his family.
C'est pas du tout scripté comme l'homme que vous avez. Bon, j'imagine que c'est lui.
The man in red? Is that who you're talking about?
Yes, indeed, indeed.
Who is he really?
The collector of souls, the one who beckons and prepares. Some call him a spirit guide, others a devil dressed in red. You are doing so much better than the last time. Now, ask me about the first thing you can think of.
Ah bah celle-là. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé à papy?
What happened to my grandfather in 81?
Oh, Joseph. Wrong place, wrong time, wrong friends, wrong life. An unstoppable force meeting an immovable object. There had to be course correction, Kathy. The house always wins.
What did you ask him to do?
I asked him to find the source and destroy it. For me, for Lily, for all of us.
The source of what?
Everything. The madness, the betrayals, the limitless suffering.
How would he do that?
I don't know. Joseph had a plan. He had allies.
Allies? Who?
The man in red. Someone else, too.
I found the message you left for Grandpa. You said, "It happened to you too." What did?
Meeting the lights, of course. Don't you have my picture from the night in the forest?
You mean this?
Oh, yes. They felt so warm, so comfortable, luring me in. But when they got close, I could feel my mind split in two. I found myself with one foot on either side of the line, the thin line between hell and here. It felt like breathing through my nose with my mouth underwater. No wonder some sink beneath the surface, never to be heard from again.
Was that what happened to Joseph, Jimmy? Did he sink to the bottom?
I wish I knew. I'm just a man stuck with his ear up against the wall, picking up a word here and there.
On se croirait.
I'm so tired, Kathy. I can feel the lights even now. Endless static in my head, like a TV tuned to a dead channel.
But what are they? Where do they come from?
The cradle of obscurity. The alpha to our omega. The distorted mirror.
Why are you constantly speaking in riddles?
Why do you assume I have a choice? We are nearing the end. Ask me about the misguided faithful.
Non, je vais d'abord te filer une clope.
I don't need to show
Parce que
him that.
visiblement... Pardon. Visiblement, il est tendu. Oh là là. Ça cause en énigme, hein, ça cause en énigme. En métaphore, à base de... Depuis le début, vous n'êtes pas sur l'île. L'homme qui s'est égaré, bah c'est toi.
Is the Church of the Holy Trinity the misguided faithful?
They are, yes.
What makes you call them that?
Isn't it obvious? They believe the lights are divine. The lights are neither divine nor unholy. They are but a twisted reflection of us. The judge and the jury, our innermost child, our greatest fear, everything we long for and desire. It's more than most of us can take. The cup runneth over.
How do I stop them?
You must go to their birthplace, their source. You must go to the cradle. It's the only way to save your friend.
What? Are you talking about Eileen?
Yes, she is being claimed. She's in great danger. You have to go back, Kathy. Nurse!
I need more than that, Jimmy.
Tape du poing sur la table.
Nurse, help!
Mais je lui ai rien fait. Il a fait pipi culotte.
I need to find Eileen.
On est d'accord qu'elle a dit qu'elle allait à l'église. Ah, je peux plus aller à l'hosto. Je peux plus voir le vieux man. Et ben... à l'église. J'aurais pu prévenir les flics.
Could lead to a sacristy or a closet of some kind.
Je pense que je vais d'ailleurs y aller.
Locked.
Bien sûr. Voilà, tester au cas où. Oh! Ok. Ah, fouillons le bureau. Petit portrait.
William T. Price. So that's Father Bill. Looks more like a businessman than a cult leader. I wonder what the church was like back when Father Bill was in charge. Just old furniture and boxes filled with random junk. Just old furniture.
Ok. Petit calendrier.
Nothing unusual, just a schedule of typical church events. There they are again, watching my every move in this place.
Ce sont des yeux. Ah. Attends, on va d'abord chercher là. Non.
Wouldn't be a church without one.
Je vais le
Wouldn't be a
retourner.
church without one.
Je vais le retourner. Bon.
A
Petit
small
placard.
cabinet with a lock. Books on spirituality and theology. Nothing unusual. Books on
Non.
locked.
J'ai une clé. Tiens.
Nope, not the right key. A closet.
Ah, bonjour.
Oof, no corpses, just a bunch of priest outfits in there. Nothing interesting in the pockets either.
On va fouiller le bureau.
Isaac's desk. There might be something useful inside. Found a large old key in here.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
Ah.
Cut the bullcrap! Where is she? Where's Eileen?
What in the Lord's name are you talking about?
Red-haired girl, I know she came here to see you. Tell me where she is, or I'm calling the cops.
I don't think that's quite necessary.
Breaking and entering, are we?
Ah. Comment on se retrouve, monsieur? Ah, emmenez-moi en prison et puis c'est tout. En vrai, je m'inquiète.
You don't understand. My friend has been kidnapped.
Funny story. Hands behind your back. Now!
You
Bon.
gotta be kidding me.
Il y a quiproquo, parce qu'il y a toujours quiproquo.
You better
Oh
hope that
là
Father
là.
Price doesn't press charges.
I want my phone call.
Can't hear you in there.
You are such a fucking prick.
Bon, je vais pas lire ça du coup.
Enjoy your little vacation. I know I will.
Well, this blows.
Est-ce qu'on m'a
And
laissé
I
mes
smell
lacets?
like goober. Fan-fucking-tastic. I need to get out of here. Who knows what that freak is doing to Eileen right now?
Ouah, la musique.
Okay, now what?
Je veux serpiller.
That combination makes no sense.
Pardon. Bon, est-ce que c'est ouvert?
Solid steel. There's no way I can make as much as a scratch. Locked tight. Where's the trust? Can't reach it.
Ah, le sac de
I
preuves.
can't reach.
De toute façon, j'ai accès qu'à la serpillière. Je vais appeler le monsieur.
Looks like the mop is within reach. Maybe I can make some use of it. I don't see how those things work together.
Mais si.
Not a bad idea, but it's just out of reach, even with the mop. That combination makes...
Ah, ils m'ont pris mes affaires. Bon, en même temps...
Solid steel. A jail cell. Looks cramped. That action doesn't seem productive to me.
Je vais me laver. Laver le visage.
What a tiny TV. A bunch of documents, some pins, and paper clips. Can't reach it.
Bah voilà. Je veux une punaise. Donne-moi une punaise.
Worth a shot. Oops.
C'est pas vraiment ça que je pensais, mais...
A bunch of documents, some pins.
On va sortir
These
de là.
paper clips might be useful.
Et tout sera comme avant.
2 large paper clips, nice and thick.
Nice. Je vais le plier.
Okay, let's see if I still got it. Not perfect, but they should get the job done. They should be able to deal with a tumbler lock or two before breaking.
Ok. Sortons de là. Ah, oh. Ah, d'accord. Tac, tac. Non. Et voilà.
I'm so good.
I'm so good. Sac de preuves. Ça, c'est à moi, c'est mes affaires.
Okay, got all my things back. The key I found in the church, too.
Ah, lol. Mais non, chut, tais-toi.
Huh?
Non, on n'est pas dans Lost, c'est pas vrai.
Hoax in jar. An inkier heart. Rule me, Nemesis.
Chut, tais-toi.
What the hell? That was creepy, whatever it was.
Bon, j'ai oublié de noter, évidemment.
I'll need a key.
Peut-être une clé de preuve. Ancienne clé,
That combination makes no sense.
évidemment. Si je fais...
I have better things to do than trying to steal random evidence.
Mais on est dans 5 point and click ou pas? Je vole des trucs au
That
hasard.
action doesn't seem...
Alors, sortons. Oh, il a une drôle de tête. J'ai quand même du bol qu'il soit pas à son bureau, le petit Lenny.
Good thing the bike was still where I left it.
Ouais, j'ai quand même retapé le chemin vers l'église, du commissariat vers l'église, pour me faire arrêter. Et je suis revenu à l'église à pied pour reprendre la moto pour retourner à l'église. Bravo. Bravo le veau. On va retourner dans le bureau parce que j'ai pas tout fouillé. Si? Je sais plus. Ah si, j'ai tout fouillé. Ouvrir porte. On va se faire réarrêter. Maintenant, bon, je suis un petit peu recherché quand même. Probablement.
Nope, not the right key.
Ok.
Locked. Nope, not the right key.
Ah, une ancienne clé.
It's old and rusty. There's something inscribed starting with PR. The rest is unintelligible.
PR.
This thing looks ancient. Must lead to some old place.
Un vieil endroit.
Impressive window. There's no doubt about it. Those are the smoky lights. It's an altar. You know, the place where they put the sacrificed goats, kids, and other crap.
On peut aller au cimetière. Je sais plus les lettres du mausolée. PR. Si, c'est celui de la famille d'Isaac, je crois. On va voir. Est-ce qu'il y a encore l'enfant? Un gamin! Price. Donc c'est bien eux. On va aller souiller des tombes.
It says Price. It must belong to Isaac's family.
Alors à propos de cette effraction dans votre bureau,
Locked.
je vais aussi peut-être fouiller les tombes de grand-papa.
A family mausoleum. The family must have been fairly rich. Those things don't come cheap.
I did what you asked, Father. But something is different about this one. It's not taking like it should. She may be protected.
Oh.
Yes, we'll just have to wait and see. More
Je ne
souls then.
supporte, je t'ai jamais aimé. Je supporte pas ta
Yes.
voix.
They all deserve to bask in the glory of God.
Je le tasais. On tase, on discute après.
Hey, what's that?
Eat this!
Yeah. Bravo Cathy.
Eileen?
T'as les yeux ouverts? T'as perdu ton âme? On a mangé ton âme? Oh, excuse-moi, Aileen,
Snap out of
excuse-moi.
it!
Pardon.
No, God, it's happening again. Just like it did with Grandpa. What did he do to you?
C'est ta faute. C'est ta faute, je vais te retaser un coup.
He's had enough. It could kill him.
Non. Bon, d'accord. Non, 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 non.
She's catatonic, breathing but unresponsive, just like Grandpa.
On a pris ton arme.
Wake up, E.
Pas comme ça. Et toi, qu'est-ce
He's
que tu me
knocked
dis
out cold.
avant que je te détache?
You
Réveille-toi,
won't get away with this.
abruti. Ouais, on va d'abord le fouiller.
He had a key on him.
Ah, la clé avec étiquette.
A small key with a tag attached labeled Storage A5. Maybe there's a self-storage facility in town.
Ça ressemble un peu le...
It looks a lot like the key I found in the attic. Maybe they're somehow related.
Petite clé.
This must open some kind of storage unit.
On va aller à la gare. Elle est rousse? Ah ouais, c'était... Ouais, c'est de la rouquinitude. Petite rouquinitude quand même. Là, beaucoup plus. Depuis qu'elle est à Conwell Springs. Beaucoup plus rousse.
Joshua David Price, born June 8th, 1961. Died September 5th, 1983. Isaac's brother, perhaps? Barbara Price, born July 19th, 1921. Died January
on va tout
4th,
faire.
1979. Arthur Price, born April 11th, 1918.
Wow, ils ont
Died
vécu longtemps
December
ceux-là.
4th, 1982.
Enfin,
Isaac Jeremiah Price, born March 3rd, 1959. The death date is left blank.
On va le mettre dedans.
William Thomas Price, born February 13th, 1931, died October 21st, 1983. Father Bill himself. Agatha Price, born November 13th, 1899, died July 17th,
On va remettre une âme dans la
1978.
roquine.
Ernest Edward Price, born December 20th, 1898, died May 8th, 1973.
Oh, ça vivait longtemps avant.
Henrietta Ann Price, born April 22nd, 1933, died May 4th, 1981.
Moi je remarque surtout que
Father
suivant la
Bill's
silhouette, elle a l'air plus enrobée que au début du jeu quand même.
Let's get these ropes off of you.
Je sais que c'est la manière de dessiner, hein, c'est tout. Mais... Parlez, regardez, parlez.
Wake up, E.
Bon bah...
She's catatonic.
Ah non, on va attacher à Isaac.
A length of strong rope.
Une corde solide.
This should come in handy if I need to restrain someone.
Allez.
That should do it. I better go get help before he comes to.
Je veux pas la laisser là. Je suis obligé. Mais de l'aide, je cherchais qui? Y a personne à part mamie en ville.
All right, we'll take it from here.
Ah!
Should we bring what's her name
Comment?
to the clinic?
Comment? Mais pourquoi?
And no, she's
C'est
not
vraiment un...
physically
Ah, c'est
hurt,
vraiment un
it's
vrai
just
personnage de
shock,
policier.
that's all. I'll take care of her. Please, just drop us off at Grandma's.
All right then, but don't think you're off the hook for that stunt you pulled at the station.
J'ai rien fait.
Considering the circumstances, I'm gonna refrain from hauling your ass back to that cell. But you better not leave town until we've sorted all this out, or you can look forward to a statewide APB. Got it?
Oui, monsieur.
That's more than fair, Sheriff. Thanks.
Good. Come by the station when you've dropped off your friend. We'll need to take your statement.
I will.
Les excuses? Non?
It's my fault this has happened to her.
No, it's not. You know exactly who's to blame. That vile man behind bars or whoever is pulling his strings. Go there, find out what he knows, and get to the bottom of this. It's too late for Joseph, but maybe she still has a chance.
Well, I'm sure as hell not gonna wait here for her to rot away.
Good. She'll be safe with me.
All right then, I'm off.
Ok.
There are a few things I need to ask you, Grandma.
Very well, dear.
How is she?
The same. Don't worry about us.
I don't see a reason to ask her
Mais
about
si,
that.
bah tu connais la ville, pas moi.
Okay, that's all I need.
Good luck out there.
Je veux ses chaussures.
I'm sorry, E. She's burning up. She's fighting it, whatever it is. Grandma is going to look after Eileen while I go interrogate Isaac.
Ah, il faut que je retourne en prison. Pardon. Est-ce qu'on fait du démarchage téléphonique? La réponse est oui, bien sûr.
No point. There's no one there to answer.
Meuf qui tourne la carte, qui va parler à une personne qui est plus là. Base aérienne.
McConnell Air Force Base, how can I help you?
Hi. I was just wondering if you had time to answer a few questions.
Sure thing, ma'am. Ask away.
I don't see a reason to ask him
À
about
propos
that.
de mon ami. J'aimais bien, avant dans certains jeux, genre les Chevaliers de Baphomet, tu pouvais parler de sujets complètement à côté de la plaque, le mec te disait juste bah non, je sais pas de quoi tu parles.
I don't see a reason to...
Mais si, c'est un militaire, il doit savoir des choses. Tant pis,
All right, that's all.
Goodbye, ma'am.
je lui ai juste dit bonjour. Il va parler à son chef. À propos de la nana qui m'appelle 10 fois par jour et qui me pose même plus de questions. Résidence Wade.
Wade residence?
Hi, this is Kathy Rain.
Hello again, Miss Rain.
I don't need to ask her.
Mais si, je veux... Laissez-moi vous parler de mon
I don't
ami.
need to ask.
Oh là là.
Okay, that's all I needed.
Very well. Feel free to call back if you have any more questions.
Bon voilà, je dis bonjour hein, à tous mes amis.
I don't need to call him right now.
Mais, je vais appeler Dave. Je veux chanter Vanina. Ah lui ça marche.
IT, this is Clyde speaking. How can I help you?
So, I hear you and Dave had some kind of fight.
That's really none of your business.
So,
That's
never mind.
Bon.
suit yourself.
Ok.
Okay, there's a place in town.
Ah.
Got the address, I should head over there. Nope, couldn't find it.
Bah, c'est normal. Ok. On pourrait retourner en haut, mais y a rien. Probablement rien. Aller dans ce nouveau lieu. On peut plus retourner au Black Hat. Stockage en libre service. Donc là, il n'y a plus rien. On pourra aller revoir la cabane au bord du lac. Histoire de faire une VOD passionnante. Et passionnée. On va aller juste revoir s'il y a Monsieur Propre. Non, bah il n'y a pas Monsieur Propre. Tant pis. Ouah. Porte-serrure, porte-serrure, porte-serrure. Peut-être faire une petite sauvegarde. Ah non, faites une sauvegarde automatique déjà.
Storage A5. This is it.
Oui, mais moi je veux l'autre, moi.
Storage A6.
Ouais, donc A7, A8, A9, A10.
Storage A7.
Je vais d'abord faire l'autre avant. D'abord faire celui-là. Je veux voir si papy cachait des choses.
Aha!
Unité de stockage. Oh! Il y avait plus de lumière dehors.
So that's where Grandpa's old uniform went. I wondered why I didn't see it in the attic.
On rééteint. Voilà. J'ouvre.
Nothing useful.
Oh, allez, fouille. Des boîtes.
Just some old newspapers in those.
Ah.
Empty.
Mais non. Ah ah.
Found a tape in there. There's
Ah.
also something else. A custody appeal.
Moi, je vais
form.
l'acheter pour 1000 $.
Honey,
Je sens que ce
July
bug, c'est...
15th,
Ah,
1981.
demande de garde. Oh. Ah, j'ai pas suivi.
I don't believe it. He tried to get me back from my mom. Right to the very end.
Oh. Oh non, pleure pas. Wow, ça c'était une grosse
Pull
larme.
yourself together, Kathy.
Waouh. Papy.
So that's
Papy,
where
tu me
Grandpa's
manques.
old
Ce box, je le sentais bien, tu vois. Je l'ai acheté pour 150 $, mais... J'ai trouvé une collection de cartes de baseball. Ça m'a rapporté un paquet de fric. Je vais en parler à mon ami Philippe. Il collectionne les tapettes à mouches, il saura me dire ce que ça vaut. Incroyable. Unité micro-cassette.
Standard microtape labeled Operation Log Number 4. It should play fine in Mr. Dicto.
Allons la mettre dans Monsieur Dildo. Ouais. Où est-il? Il est là. Pouf. Alors. Si ça se trouve, c'est celui-là qui fait avancer l'histoire et pas l'autre, donc... Ça se trouve, je loupe un truc hyper bonus dans l'autre. Allez, écoutons ça. On va d'abord rembobiner. Ok, c'est bon.
This is Joseph Rain. Operation Log, Part 4. August 8th, 1981. The area appears to be circular, with along the outer perimeter. I've determined that some kind of endothermic reaction is taking place. So it's important to be observant of changes in temperature. Find the source. By severing the link, perhaps I can save them. Jimmy and all the others.
Oh.
Reoccurring dream. I'm standing in front of a huge black hole in a clearing in the woods. There's a man dressed in red, urging me to jump. I'm afraid to, but I take the plunge anyway. For some reason, I don't think I have anything to lose. As I'm falling, I reach for the parachute cord, but to my horror, there's nothing there. That's when I wake up.
Ok. Ok. Donc il décrit le rêve que Jimmy m'a dit, ou lui il m'a vu moi, si j'ai bien compris. Très étrange. Attends, on peut peut-être ouvrir celui-là, non?
The door is opened by turning the key.
Bon, d'accord. Allez. Voyons voir ce que notre ami Isaac a caché. Wow. C'est des tableaux. Ah, j'ai pas éteint la lumière dans l'autre. Où est-il? Bonjour. Peinture. Diluant.
A bottle of paint thinner. This might come in handy.
Allez, volons des choses.
I don't believe this. They're ruined. He must have used that paint thinner on the paintings. That means there's only a single painting left. The one in the cabin. He must not have wanted anyone to learn the secrets of these paintings.
Où est-il? À moins qu'il y ait un message caché. Où est-il?
Where is it? Was he trying to uncover something in these paintings? I guess he felt compelled to tell the world how hard he was looking for something. Lunatic.
Lunatic. Ok. On va éteindre les lumières. Parce que je suis comme ça, moi. Voilà. Faut changer de néon, là. D'ailleurs, je pourrais... Peut-être... Non. Je veux refermer, moi. Tourner clé. Voilà. On va éviter de savoir qu'on est venu. Quoique. Laisser celui-là, peut-être. J'essaie de partir. Ah, je peux. Bonjour, ours. Ours. Comment vas-tu? Flowers. Ah, j'ai laissé le box ouvert. Bon, où est-ce qu'on va? On va... On retourne voir Isaac? Non. Ah non, la cabane. La cabane. Bonjour, c'est encore moi.
Anybody home?
Ah,
Guess not.
je veux...
Locked. It's a simple two-way
Ah,
lock.
grâce à mon trombone. Mon brave petit trombone. Tac. Et voilà. Je vais bientôt casser mon trombone. Bonjour. Oula, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very lifelike. Contrary to popular belief, I don't believe the owls are more than what they seem.
On va d'abord voir le dessin.
A bald man dressed in red. Oh, creepy. That must be Lily. She seems very happy looking up at the red man. Is this how Nathan still sees himself? As a little boy?
Little boy, my little boy. Ouah,
Looks like they barely touched the food.
Ils sont partis en catastrophe.
It's an early painting by Lily Myers. It's an early painting by Lily Myers. Elk, by the looks of it. They're fairly common in
Un élan.
Commonwealth.
On va pas lui saloper sa truc quand même, si?
This should be able to do some damage.
Bon bah désolé. On va pas faire ça. Allez,
Sorry, Sue.
désolé. Tu dois avoir un message. Waouh, la violence. Waouh.
A hidden picture. Oh my god, that's Nathan. He's holding a girl underwater. It must be Lily. Wait, that doesn't make any sense.
Ah oui.
Lily wrote a suicide note, so either she planned this or saw it.
Qu'est-ce quoi? Elle aurait peint sa propre mort.
Nathan is drowning Lily in the lake.
Pauvre machin. Et si on le redilue une autre fois?
I already did that.
Ça n'a aucun sens. Et si je vais par...
Nathan is drowning.
Bon. Si je vais partir... Quelqu'un qui va arriver? Non. Oh! T'étais là tout le temps?
Nathan,
Yes?
I know about Lily, Nathan.
I like Lily.
Nathan, tell me what happened the day Lily died.
I don't know.
It's okay, Nathan. I'm a friend. I know the red man too.
You do?
Yes, he told me to ask you about what happened to Lily. He said that you would tell me the truth because you are honest. You're honest, aren't you, Nathan?
Lily was angry that time. Angry and sad. Mostly angry.
Angry with you?
Angry with everybody. Mama was asleep, Papa too.
Okay, what happened next?
Lily wanted to go down to the lake. She told me to hold her under the water for a while. She said I had to.
Et j'ai pas compris.
She had painted it, and everything she painted was supposed to happen. I didn't want to. but Lily said she would tell Mama that I was bad if I didn't. But the Red Man says it was an accident and that Lily is in a better place.
It's okay, Nathan. Lily was sick. It's not anyone's fault. When did you first meet the Red Man?
I don't know. I see him in the woods sometimes. He and Lily always fought.
They did. About what?
He wanted Lily to take her medicine.
What kind of medicine? Pills to make her less sad and angry?
I don't know. Just
Je sais pas.
medicine. But you know what? It's okay. I still talk to her all the time.
You talk to Lily? And she
Ouais,
talks
elle est là à
back?
côté de nous.
Yes?
Take me to her, Nathan. Take me to Lily.
You promise not to tell Mama?
I won't, I promise. Take me there.
Okay.
Ok. Merci à toi, grand naïf. Amène-moi dans un bois sombre alors que tu fais 2 fois ma carrure. Ah, on va voir les lumières. Oh là là.
See?
Get away from them, Nathan. They're dangerous.
No, they're nice.
Look!
Maybe they can't affect him for some reason.
Non. Je voulais m'en aller. Bonjour.
Poor little Mender met her end. Witnessed so much she could not comprehend. Claimed by the lake, she screamed to her god, struggled for air as she twisted
Il est dans le
and
bureau de
clawed.
l'église.
But all
Arrête
was
de
in
parler en
vain,
poésie, ça m'énerve.
and her cries went unheard. 'Twas a heartbreaking theater of the absurd. There, you're being dramatic. No pain, no gain. At least that color looks good on you. Astute observation, Bill. This room does hold the key. Well then, it's been a pleasure talking to you.
Jesus.
Il est où? Il est où, Nathan?
Nathan? How long was I out?
4 jours. Ok, donc on a un monsieur propre qui dirige un truc. On sait pas trop. On a les 3... Une source. On a les 3 lumières qui apparaissent là. Les mecs de l'église qui sont plus ou moins endoctrinés. On sait pas trop. On peut supposer. Est-ce que j'ai du nouveau merdier? Non. Il faudrait que je retourne à l'église. Ouah, je commence à plus avoir de lieu du tout. Je vais aller voir d'abord s'il y a Nathan, moi. S'il va bien. Nathan, tu es là? Madame? Ah, bon, en même temps, si elle est revenue et qu'elle a vu le tableau, c'est possible qu'elle ait pas été contente quand même.
Nathan is drowning Lily in the lake. She was born a 7.
Non, mais je veux pas ça, je veux la prendre. En même temps, ça fait 54 minutes. Je vais faire une petite pause. Couper la VOD. On va remplacer... C'est cool ce jeu. Pouf. Voilà. À tout de suite.